Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the power rule of derivative. So for example, we have y equals to a to the power of n. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have an a to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply the formula for this one. So we have 4 secant of 4 minus 1. And we have 2s squared. Later that we continue do first derivative of secant of 2s squared. So this one we have number 3. First derivative of secant, we have secant 2s squared and we have tan 2s squared. Later that we do first derivative of 2s squared. This is about the chain rule in here. So secant with secant, you got about number 4. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. Number 4 with number 2 and number 2, we have 16. And I will put about s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.